Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at how to make basic outfits look incredibly expensive without breaking the bank. We all have the wardrobe staples, the classic white tee, a great pair of jeans, and a simple black dress. But how do you elevate them from everyday casual to effortlessly stylish? It's all about the details. So we're going to see how you can come up with creative ways, stylish ways, and little tips that you can use in order to elevate these basic outfits. So one way you can make a basic outfit look incredibly expensive, the first one is by the power of a perfect fit. So this is the most crucial tip. No matter how expensive a garment is, if it doesn't fit you well, it's going to look sloppy. A well-tailored, affordable piece can look like $1,000,000. So you need to take your clothes to a tailor so that they can adjust it in order to fit you. So a perfect fit is a game changer. That's all you need. So you can buy really nice jeans, but it's not fittings. But when you go and you tailor it to fit your body, it will become perfection. That's what we call by the perfect fit. So hemming up pants, taking in a waist, or adjusting sleeve length can transform an entire outfit. Those small details really matter. So the second tip to make a basic outfit to look really expensive is the fabric focus. Meaning look for quality. So we mean look for quality or the illusion of quality. While we might not always be able to afford pure silk or cashmere, we can definitely look for fabrics that mimic that luxurious feel and drip. So guys, you can look for natural fibers like cotton, linen, wool, cashmere, leather. So these always look and feel more expensive than the other cheap synthetics that you can find in the market. So guys, the third way you can elevate a basic outfit to look more expensive is the magic of the monochromatic look. So one of the easiest way to instantly elevate an outfit is by sticking to monochromatic or neutral color palette. So monochromatic dressing from head to toe in one color instantly creates a sophisticated, cohesive look. It makes you look more put together. Combining different neutrals also look incredibly chic. It's classic and effortlessly elegant. These colors are inherently chic and allows the textures and cuts of your clothing to really shine. Plus, they are super easy to mix and match. So guys, the fourth way to make an outfit to look really expensive is by accessorizing. Accessories can completely transform a basic outfit. Think of them as the final polish that makes everything look more intentional and expensive. A high quality leather belt, a structured bag, jewelry, and sunglasses can pull an outfit together. It's not about having a ton of accessories, but about choosing a few key pieces that elevates your look. So guys, the fifth tip of making a basic outfit look more expensive is the styling tricks. So beyond the physical pieces, there are some styling tricks that scream expensive without costing a thing. So these are all about looking polished and intentional. So we have things like the half tuck, rolled up sleeves or rolled sleeves, layering, steaming or ironing. It's these little details that show that you've put effort in your outfit. It can be a basic jeans and t-shirt, but someone will see a bit of effort and it will look more elevated than it is because they've just added some few tricks here and there on how to work with it to make it to be more creative. That's all. So guys, it can be a basic jeans and t-shirt, but the tricks that you use to style it will make all the difference. So guys, making basic outfits to look expensive than they really are, it's not about spending a fortune. It's about being strategic with your choices and paying attention to the details. So guys, you should focus on fit, fabric, classic colors, and smart accessorizing. And you'll be radiating effortless style in no time. So guys, if you just implement those few tips that I've given you, you will see a difference. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you and I hope you've enjoyed it. So guys, if you like the video, you can like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.